NCFE, or Pearson BTEC. If you are a UK professional exploring qualifications in data, AI, or cloud engineering, you have probably seen both names. But which one is actually right for your career? Let us break it down clearly and honestly. NCFE has over 175 years of history developing vocational qualifications bridging education and employment. As a registered charity, any surplus is reinvested into qualification development rather than shareholders. Pearson BTEC, by contrast, is the commercial giant, backed by the world's largest education company. Both operate at national scale, but their motivations and structures are quite different, and that difference shapes what they build and who they build it for. Both NCFE and Pearson BTEC qualifications are regulated by Ofqual, which means they meet defined standards for design, assessment, and awarding. This protects you as a learner. Employers and universities can verify your award on the Register of Regulated Qualifications. However, Ofqual regulation alone does not guarantee employer recognition. What truly separates qualifications is curriculum design, assessment quality, and how closely the awarding body collaborates with the industries it serves. Employer recognition is where this comparison gets genuinely nuanced. Large enterprise employers in financial services, consulting, and public sector digital transformation tend to recognize the BTEC brand because of its decades-long presence in further education. However, the BTEC label covers an enormous range of subjects, which can dilute how tech-specific employers perceive individual awards. NCFE qualifications in data and AI are more deliberately sector-focused, which can carry more weight in specialist hiring conversations. Both awarding bodies favor portfolio and assignment-based assessment over timed written exams, which is genuinely good news for working adults. You build evidence of competence through real tasks rather than performing under exam pressure. This suits professionals who are applying learning directly in their workplace. The key difference is that NCFE's qualifications tend to be designed with tighter integration between assessment criteria and current industry practice, particularly in newer fields like data science and artificial intelligence. If university progression is part of your plan, both awarding bodies can support that route. Pearson BTEC qualifications have historically had strong recognition across UK universities, and many institutions explicitly list BTEC in their entry requirements. NCFE qualifications at level 3 and above also carry UCAS points and are increasingly accepted. That said, university entry requirements vary, and you should always confirm directly with your chosen institution before committing to any qualification pathway. If you want the most widely recognized brand name on your CV, Pearson BTEC has clear advantages built on 4 decades of national presence. But if you want a qualification designed specifically around the skills employers in data, AI, and cloud actually need today, NCFE's vocational technical qualifications offer tighter alignment with industry. The honest recommendation is this: do not choose a qualification purely on brand. Choose it based on curriculum quality, assessment design, and how directly it maps to the role you are targeting. Ready to take the next step? Visit the Data and AI School of London to explore our Ofqual-regulated qualifications and find the right program for your career goals.